Good morning and welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, we are the Boss Gang. We are in Santa Monica right now for Maya's birthday weekend, and we're gonna head out to the beach right now. Well, we're gonna get breakfast before, then we're gonna head out to the beach. So if you're interested in watching, stay tuned. We are gonna get ready real quick, and we'll be right back. So we out here on the beach now. Maya's eating some watermelon. How does it taste? Good. Got the boy EJ out here balling. That was a good one. You good? How does that watermelon taste, Mai? Pretty delicious. Oh, look at the swings over there, guys.
Yeah, I'm gonna go. That's where we'll go. Daddy cheated. That was about you going to the sand. Ow.
We out here on the beach, enjoying this weather. It's about 85 degrees out
I
here.
lost the watermelon.
The ambulance. Something's going on.
Hold it, hold it.
Oh, monkey.
Maya, look at that. There's no way you make it to the top.
It's really tall. It looks really short from this angle, but
Take off her socks.
want to take off your socks?
Let go, let go. Let go. Dad, can you push me up a little bit? No, we're gonna go way higher because you.
Oh, that's nasty. Why did you do that to my love?
Come
Tell him don't do that to me.
on. Where are your feet? I'm gonna go with Dad, okay?
Okay. Are you eating the sand? Ew, no, don't eat the sand. You can't eat it, Mama. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Clean yourself. Oh my goodness, you can't eat the sand, love. It tastes so yummy or something. No, no, eat it, okay? It's caca. It's caca. Look at Dada. You see, sister? Water is pretty cold out here. What is that?
What's that little stuff?
I don't know.
It's an animal.
I don't know what it is.
It's like a snail.
Oh, that just hit me good.
I saw a little thing come out of it right now, but now it doesn't want to come out. Come out, please. Look, Dad, you see that girl over there? She has the same hat as you. Look.
Nice subway. So that concludes our video today. We are back at the hotel. We're going to relax now and watch the fight. If you guys did like the video, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we post. And we hope you guys have a blessed night and we love you.
Peace.